guys, it's me here, and today I'm doing the Sims Random Genetic Challenge thingy. I saw videos about it, so I thought I'd do it. Um, and my grandma's over here, and she every time I say she makes a point to point it out because I say it so much. Anyway, um, nah, you're fine. Um, anyway. I told y'all I would make a video about Hive Swap or something, and I haven't gotten around to doing that yet. So, but I decided, hey, I saw this idea, so let's yeah. Anyway, I've only got 15 minutes. Basically, you have to randomize everything, and then and then read them and such. Okay, so let's start with the name. Oh yeah, I have to do it 3 times by the way. Okay, Sparky McGowan. Okay, uh, okay, so let's start with breeds. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's a poodle. Nice. Yeah. Okay, now let's go with the body shape. Okay, let's not do that. Tail, it's fine. Okay, now randomize these colors. Oh wow, that is a colorful doggo. And then pet clothing doesn't really matter. So now head shape, ears, 1, 2, 3, nose, and eyes. Okay, so that's the dog, and I gotta do the traits now. I have a little wheel thing. I put out. So let's try. Uh, okay. So aggressive. Get this out of the way of the aggressive. Read it again. Sleuth. You guys probably can't do that. And one more. It is a troublemaker as well. There we go. Oh my. Okay. Now time to make another one. Okay, name. The interesting name. Okay. Oh wow, another poodle. That's wonderful. Sleuthy. Yeah. Okay. No, no tail at all. Oh, almost had the skeleton dog right there. Okay, that's not too bad. No fur. Oh well, that is very normal. Okay, maybe it'll get weird with the. Oh, yep, yep. Oh, yep. And eyes. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now I gotta do the traits. So I have a bit of a runny nose. I think I'm a bit sick. Ouch. And hunter. No, no. And finally, friendly. It just like barely got unfriendly. Like that much. Okay, now time to randomize up. Well, not randomize up. Play with genetics. And okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So Maldiva, however you say. Oh, it didn't go with it didn't randomize. Okay. How would it look as an adult? Oh, me. Okay. Got mom's. Wait. That's female. Okay. Yep, got mom's looks mainly. And get you back to a puppy. Yes, I guess it's a hunter of a scary and aggressive. Okay, gotta randomize the. Oh, oops, that's 4. Okay, okay, Kaya. Okay, yeah. Okay, and now play with your dad and why not? Ah, Lord. Okay, and that one right there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's not too bad. Let's make it a boy. I think that one's a female. Yeah. Okay, that was failed. There. Okay, so that's not too bad actually. So pretty dog. Not too bad at all. Okay. And I'm not messing with the voices because you guys wouldn't be able to hear it anyway. I have a well, I'm using Screencast-O-Matic and I don't feel like buying the full version, so I'm just gonna leave it at that again. Oh, I just barely made it button. And finally, my last trait, independent. Okay, and one more, because why not? Uh, okay, let's make it. Uh, okay, it's gonna be a boy. Randomize, Okay, cute, cute. Ooh, that's pretty. I might say. Oh wait, I didn't randomize this thing. Cookie. There we go. Mojo. Nice. And now the troublemaker. Oh, there. Well, And couch potato. I'm gonna upload this video and y'all can have the little ups. Okay. Okay, there we go. Save household, and I'm gonna upload it too. Okay, I shared a household. It's quick forward. And there you have it. Anyway, I might do cats one and or another dog one or a sim one, but don't tell about it, okay? And I start writing stuff on Roblox or stuff like that, and comment, I guess. Um, anyway, bye guys. Like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.